Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5, respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book Science Chapter 2 Plants Video Part 1. Question number 1. Which among the following is a dicot seed? So what are dicot and what are monocot? So monocot seed means which cannot be splitted into two parts. Okay. So this is maize. This is your monocot. Wheat, monocot seed. You can just see this is the dissection of the wheat. But the dicot seed, like your gram, this is your dicot seed. And this is rice actually. So gram is the dicot seed. Maize, wheat, and rice, you can see here, these all are the monocot seed. So first answer will be option A. Question number 2. Dash is also known as seed leaves. So which one is also known as seed leaves? So this cotyledon. Cotyledon is known as seed leaves. Actually, it gives the food to the seed when it germinates as a new plant. So second answer will be option B. Question number 3. Which among the following plants can be grown from the roots of the plant? From among the following plants grown from the roots of the plant. Potato is your stem. Ginger, stem. Sweet potato is root. Sugarcane is the stem. The third answer will be option C. Question number 4. In a plant like mushroom, a new plant can be grown from which part of the plant? So new plant can be obtained from the stem, root, spore, or leaf. So you can see spore will be the answer. Actually, spores are present at the this part of the mushroom, and when it just fall down, actually it looks like seed, but it is not exactly the seed. Why? Because spores cannot fulfill all the characteristics of the seed. So when these spores just fall down on the ground, then it is again germinate as the new mushroom plant. Okay, answer will be option C. The fourth answer is option C. Question number 5. Which among the following is an underground stem? The sugar cane, you can see it is the upper ground stem. Okay. Ginger is the underground stem. Hibiscus, upper ground. Rose, upper ground. This is the picture of the ginger. Answer will be option B. Fifth answer is option B. Question number 6. Match the following. Dispersal of seed. So dispersal of seed means scattering of seed here and there. Germination. Germination means growth of a seed. Cotyledon means part of the seed, and manure, dead and decaying matter. So sixth answer will be option B. Okay. Question number 7. Which among the following is not a rabi crop? So not a rabi crop. So you can just see bajra is not a rabi crop. Seventh answer will be option C. Okay. Next question number 8. Sugarcane reproduces by dash cutting. The sugarcane is the stem and it can be reproduces by stem only. Eighth answer will be option C. Question number 9. The seeds of this plant are dispersed by. You can see this is a pea plant. This is a pea plant, and in the pea plant, the seed can be dispersed by the explosion. So option C. Ninth answer will be option C. Question number 10. Which among the following seeds are dispersed by wind? So you can see this is the cotton seed, this is the madar seed, and this is your hiptage. So you can see all of them have the wings and they can just dispersed by the wind. All of these. 10th answer will be option D. Question number 11. Which among the following is monocot seed? So in the question number 1, we have seen the corn is the monocot seed. Gram, beans and peas all are the dicot seed. 11th answer will be option D. Question number 12. It stores the food for growing seedling in the seed. The cotyledon stores the food in the seedling in a seed. Means while it germinates, the cotyledon gives the food to the new plant. The 12th answer will be option D. Question number 13. Which among the following can be grown from the stem of the plant? Potato, because carrot, radish and turnip all are the roots. Potato is the stem. The 13th answer will be option D. Question number 14. A new plant can be grown through the leaves in bryophyllum. I have pasted the picture of the bryophyllum and you can see a new plant has germinated here. है ना? So this is, and in the fern it is the spore, in the ginger it is the stem, and in the garlic it is the stem only. 14th answer will be option A. Question number 15. Which among the following is not a kharif crop? So bean is not a kharif crop. So 15th answer will be option C. Question number 16. The eyes of potato are, so I have just shown here, these are the eyes of the potato and it is known as buds. Okay. So 16th answer will be option B. Question number 17. Crops grown in dash are known as rabi crop. So crops grown in winter are known as rabi crop. 17th answer will be option C. Question number 18. Which among the following is grown in summer? So in the summer vegetables is brinjal. 18th answer will be option C. 19. Cotton plant is the best grown in which type of soil? It is in the black soil. Okay, in the black soil, cotton plant grows very well. So, 19 answer will be option A. Question number 20. Practice of growing plants on large scale is known as agriculture. Okay, germination means the development of the plant from seed. Insecticide means the chemical which is used to kill insects, and photosynthesis means the process by which plants can prepare their food. So that's why answer will be option B. So 20 answer is option B. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.